Hey guys, I'm working on another video all day today and it takes much longer than usually because I am editing it in much more detail. I am using certain B-rolls and more engaging content. I'm trying to build my YouTube channel and create more quality videos. However, it takes longer than my usual videos. Having said that, I wanted to upload a new video like I do every day, so this is just a screen recording. In this video, I wanted to tell you about AliExpress product descriptions. When you are dropshipping and importing products from AliExpress, often the descriptions like you see here are still displayed as default. These are just a list of features that can often be confusing and not really helpful to your visitors. And the minus is that you have the same descriptions as thousands of other dropshipping Shopify stores, which can trigger Google duplicate content policy. Google really doesn't like duplicate content. And if you've got the same descriptions as thousands of other stores, it means that the content is duplicate. Also, let's not forget that many online shoppers are also aware they can shop directly from AliExpress. They can also recognize their default product descriptions. So if they see that you've got the same information as on AliExpress, it's a giveaway sign you're dropshipping. And they think, why won't I buy this item directly from AliExpress and save myself some money? So remember, in order to stay competitive and boost sales, write your own product descriptions. I've got another great video on how to write product descriptions that sell, so make sure to check it out. And remember, if you like what you hear, click the like button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel.